Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in again. Today I'm actually doing an unboxing, which is exciting. I feel like I don't do much of these, so you're gonna be able to tell and see what's actually under here. But I guess you can read from the box what this is. So the brand is NDakter, and it's a bike lock. But let me tell you, this is hands down the most practical favorite bike lock that I've ever had, and I'm about to show you why. So it comes with a 5-digit combination, and it's really heavy duty anti-theft bicycle chain lock. And I do want to mention that I purchased the black one, but this comes in many different colors, and it comes in 2 different formats. Also, just to keep in mind, it comes in a bag, and then also there are the instructions. Now, one of the other reasons that I love this product so much is that setting the code is the easiest thing. And I'm not even going to show you the instructions. I'm just going to actually show you how it's done. And so just keep in mind that it does come with instructions. So I'm just going to put these off to the side as well. Over here. Close the box. Keep the box in the background here. And let me kind of show you what the lock looks like. Now, it is actually pretty big. And the reason being that this is the bigger format that I was talking about. So it comes in 2 formats. It comes in the 3.2 foot long, and it's 6 millimeter thick. And then this one in particular, this one that you're looking at, is the 4.27 feet long, also 6 millimeter thick bike chain. So you get basically an additional foot. I find that it's better when I'm locking up my bike and maybe need a little more room. This was the better one to buy. So the cool thing about this is, I don't know if you can hear it, but this sounds like really thick bike chain, and it really is. And it's surrounded by this cloth-like material, which kind of hides what the bike chain looks like under. And I don't know, you would need some serious bolt cutters to cut these off. And that's one of the other main reasons that I like this so much. So let me just put everything here off to the side and show you how easy it is to set this combination. So right now it's actually locked, so you can tell. The combination is 0001. So again, it's 5-digit combination. So when you buy this, just keep in mind that you have to set a combination that's 5 digits. Now, it's set to this, but the actual bike lock combination is 000. That's what you get it with, is a default. So when you want to reset and change the actual combination on this, all you need to do is just literally have it on the combination like we just did. So like, all right, it's on 000. And then you're just going to twist. Can you see me just twist here 90 degrees? And there's only one position. You're going to twist it 90 degrees, and now you can set a new lock. Just keep in mind that whatever's on this line is going to be what the actual setting is going to be. So I'm going to set it to, you know what, let's have fun with this. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is the new setting. And then all you need to do once you decide what it is, like I just did, you're just going to twist it back into position. And the lock is going to fit, the key or the lock of this is going to fit right back into it like this. All right, so this is the new combination, and then we're going to set it back to 000. You're going to see that I'm not going to be able to open it. So like I said, one of the main reasons I've liked this lock, the only thing I would say that I guess I'm not crazy about is that it's on the heavy side. So if you have like a hybrid bike or a mountain bike, it might not be that impractical, but if you're on a road bike and weight is an issue, then this might be kind of an issue for you. It's not an issue for me, but it does weigh a little bit. So just keep that in mind. And so I would highly recommend this lock to anyone who's looking for, oh, last thing, like I said, it comes in a ton of colors. So this one's black. There's blue, camouflage, gray, green, light pink, orange, pink, purple, red, and then sky blue. So like I was saying before, I would highly recommend this product to anyone who's looking for a really cool bike lock that's really, really tough, and that's hopefully going to keep your bike as safe as possible when you leave it for, you know, whatever you're going to go do, whether it's have lunch or you leave your bike somewhere. I feel like this is going to do a great job of protecting my bike. Hope this helps.
All right, here we got a really nice bike lock. So one of the obvious feature of this is the cover, which is pretty sturdy. It looks like a kind of a nylon canvas, and it's secure in there. It doesn't pull down. It'll kind of keep it dry. Well, it will keep it dry, and also it's not going to scuff up your bike when you wrap it around there. If you found with a bike lock most chains, it's going to take a toll on the finish of your bike, and also some things you lock it to, some people may not like if there's some paint. One of the really neat features about this lock here is, besides you can change the combination, is with a lesser quality lock, they're very easy to pick. This one is not. This one's almost impossible. And how that was done before in the past is you would just put back pressure on the lock, and when you hit the number that it was set to, you would feel a little bump and the lock would pull out a little bit. This one doesn't do it at all. So the default combination from the factory with this is all zeros, and it's nice big numbers. It's easy to see where it lines up and it comes out. Pretty nice sturdy lock, really good bite with the keys on there, but again, you don't feel any kind of click like that when it hits the number. And it's very easy to change. Simply take the reset button, change it, or rotate it a quarter turn, put your new combination in. I'm going to select 8, 9, go 2, 1, 1, 8, 9, 2, 1, 1. Make sure you remember your combination, because once it's set and it's locked, you're done. And then go ahead and turn the reset back. Lock it up and you have your new combination set. So let's go back. Hopefully you remember that. 8, 9, 2, 1, 1, and there it opens up. Goes around your bike very easily. Go ahead and spin it off. Your bike is now secure.
Esto no funciona. Ahora lo recibí, pero no funciona. Ve. No sé si me pueden enviar otro igual. ¿Cómo podemos hacer ahí? Porque no sirve la perilla para modificar la contraseña.
So this is the bike lock that I currently use. It's they're chains, and you can, when you do get it, you are able to change the combination what you want it to be, which is fantastic because the one that it came with, I could not remember it. Yeah, it's pretty durable. And you can like lift my entire bike with it. Yeah.
And if you see, it won't turn past that to reset, nor will it go in. What a piece of crap.